Toxic trash builds up inside your cells every single second. Microscopic factories break down completely. Toxic byproducts accumulate behind your cell walls. What happens when this garbage never leaves?
This molecular debris actively accelerates your aging process. Dysfunctional proteins clump together relentlessly. Like and subscribe now to uncover the hidden cure.
This dangerous buildup strikes 37 trillion cells right now. You cannot stop this constant microscopic pollution. Proteins misfold during routine biological synthesis. Broken mitochondria leak dangerous reactive oxygen. How does your body clean this massive internal mess? It uses a highly sophisticated ancient cleaning system, but one daily habit keeps this system totally disabled. Unchecked cellular buildup directly causes severe chronic inflammation. Toxic proteins constantly aggregate inside your brain. They completely disrupt normal cellular operations. These exact plaques drive Alzheimer's disease.
Why is your internal cleaner currently turned off? Modern eating habits suppress this natural system completely. You probably consume calories across 14 waking hours. Your cellular cleaning system never gets a window. Eating releases insulin and activates the mTOR growth signal. Building cells completely shuts down all internal cleaning. Fasting triggers the AMPK energy sensor instead. AMPK sounds the low-resource cellular alarm.
Scientists discovered a brilliant internal recycling mechanism. This breakthrough won the 2016 Nobel Prize in Medicine. It acts as a continuous quality control process.
The scientific name for this is autophagy. Autophagy literally means the cell eating itself. It is a precise, selective, and highly efficient process. Cells target toxic garbage while preserving healthy tissue. A membrane called an autophagosome wraps around damaged proteins. This bubble travels and fuses with a lysosome. Powerful lysosome enzymes instantly break down the dangerous debris. This toxic trash transforms into vital raw materials.
How do you flip this biological switch? Lowering insulin unlocks this powerful cleaning state. Your body shifts into deep maintenance mode. Cells stop building and start clearing the damage.
Fasting selectively clears those dangerous misfolded proteins. It clears dysfunctional mitochondria before they can leak. Healthy mitochondria then reproduce to replace the dead ones. It even targets and destroys invading bacteria.
When does this deep cellular cleaning actually begin? The timeline surprises most people. Autophagy efficiency naturally declines as we age. Your fasting window dictates the exact cleaning intensity. Measurable autophagy markers increase after 12 hours. Dramatic intestinal cleaning begins at 24 hours. Substantial cellular cleaning requires up to 48 hours. Peak autophagy activity hits near 72 hours.
What happens when the fasting period finally ends? The results are completely transformative. Nutrient return creates a massive biological event. mTOR reactivates in a much cleaner cellular environment. Eating again triggers massive stem cell regeneration. Old cellular components vanish permanently. Brand new functional proteins appear instantly. Mitochondrial production increases dramatically. Your entire immune system functionally renews itself.
This biological reset costs absolutely nothing. Could specific foods trigger autophagy without fasting entirely? That remains a mystery for our next explainer. Like, subscribe, and comment below with your answer. This is general information. Always consult a doctor for personal medical advice.